Hello, everybody. This is going to be a quick demo on how to approach the draw ball portion of the mouse chaser or the chase the mouse extension. As you know, after you've cloned your repo and imported your project, you'll find a source folder. Inside that source folder, you will find a project for each of the extensions, including chase the mouse, which is inside the mouse chaser extension. Um, and here we have the draw ball method. As you can see, has not yet been implemented. If I come over to draw ball debug app and I run it, um, not unsurprisingly, it's going to come here, draw this red ring, then throw an exception, and you can sort of see it right here. It's like, oh, draw ball, that's where it has gone wrong. So you're supposed to delete this line. And so I will do that. And now we're supposed to draw the ball as specified. It's not too hard to figure out what exactly it's trying to ask for. It's trying to ask for this location and that radius. I should be drawing a circle, but let's just imagine that we didn't get that memo and we decided to do a filled square instead. And let's just say we said we're going to do it at 0.5, 0.5, totally ignoring all of the information, but let's say we pay attention to the radius here. I cannot emphasize enough that this is not a square, is not a ball, and 0.5, 0.5 is not what the location is telling us to do. Either way, let's come back over here to draw debug app and we'll run it. You'll see now that it's actually not throwing an exception, but we're drawing this black square here because that's what we told it to do in the center of the screen. And it's asking you, did you draw it at this location, this radius? You can sort of see that it's not perfectly fitting inside of this circle here with these crosshairs. And so we can just say false, that's wrong. As is often the case, let me close up Chase the Mouse. I had built this correctly. And so let me replace it with head revision. One of the nice things about Git, as you heard me say over and over again, is that it's good to commit early and often. Anytime you have something that you might want to go back to, it's a good idea to commit it. I committed the correctly working version of this. So now when I run it, you'll sort of see that it's like, oh, okay, now it's sort of perfectly fitting inside of this yellow and red lines with the crosshairs twice as big. If I just enter through, it'll try out different locations and different radiuses. And just see that everything is looking good. And then we feel good about this part of the extension. And so with that, hopefully that will help you make sense of what the drawball debug app is trying to tell you. And good luck on this part of the extension.